Hi guys, today we're making a new dish. I couldn't actually find a recipe for this dish, so we're going to make it up as we go along. Firstly, you'll need 125 grams of kimchi, half a cup of grated parmesan cheese, 3/4 of a cup of tasty cheese, or you could use cheddar cheese, 250 grams of ricotta cheese, 1 minced clove of garlic, 1 egg, and 2 sheets of puff pastry. First, we need to finely cut up our kimchi. For this step, I'm going to use a food processor. Next, we want to add all of the ingredients into a mixing bowl except for the puff pastry. Instead of adding the whole egg to the mix, we're only going to add in half an egg and reserve the other half to glaze the pastry. Thoroughly mix your ingredients together. Add in half a teaspoon of salt and a generous amount of black pepper and continue mixing. Oops, nearly forgot to add in the ricotta cheese. Once you've finished mixing, roughly divide your mixture into 4. This will make the next step a lot easier. Next, get out your puff pastry. You'll want to divide each sheet into 2 equal pieces. Take your filling and spread it in a line down each half sheet. Each half sheet will get 1/4 of the filling mix. Brush one edge of the pastry with an egg wash. This will help seal the pastry when you roll it up. Now it's time to roll up your pastry. Cut each roll into 4 pieces. Transfer your rolls onto either a greased baking tray or a baking tray lined with baking paper. Next, brush each roll with the egg wash. Next, you can sprinkle on some sesame seeds, although this step is optional. When you're done, bake your rolls in an oven that's been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And here is the final product. Now, how do they taste? Well, for the full tasting review, please refer to Sapidus ASMR. I'll place the link in the description box. Thanks for watching.